and welcome to day 5 of Nailmas, where I upload a new nail video from December 1st through December 25th. In today's video, I am doing Courage the Cowardly Dog nails, and let me know in the comments if you've ever watched this show before. It is definitely one of my favorite shows. I did do a practice nail right here, and I also got a little template on how to draw Courage on nails off of Pinterest, and I'll show you that later on in the video. Instead of buffing the nails, I used an acid-free primer from Mia Secret. So when you use this on the nails, it kind of gives the nails like a sticky feeling, and you can easily go ahead and paint your base coat or go in with your color without worrying about it peeling up on these press-on nails. If you use the acid-free primer on your natural nails, just make sure you don't get any on your skin. You should always make sure you are probably using a primer and a dehydrator when you're putting nails on your natural nails or preparing your nails for press-ons, because it'll help the nails last longer. So while I paint the base colors on, I thought that I would just kind of talk about the show and just give you a synopsis of what the show is about real quick if you've never heard or seen the show Courage the Cowardly Dog before. So Courage the Cowardly Dog is an animated comedy horror series that was on Cartoon Network, and it ran from 1999 through 2002. It is a show about an anxious dog, Courage, who lives with an elderly couple, Muriel and Eustace, and they live in Kansas. They live in a town called Nowhere.
We interrupt this program to bring you Courage the Cowardly Dog Show, starring Courage the Cowardly Dog. Abandoned as a pup, he was found by Muriel, who lives in the middle of nowhere with her husband, Eustace Bay. But creepy stuff happens in Nowhere. It's up to Courage to save his new home.
Stupid dog! You made me look bad!
Where they live in a farmhouse, and there's nothing around them. There is just their house, and that's it. There's nothing surrounding them. However, there is a town that they can drive into, because Eustace drives into the town quite often, and sometimes an ambulance will come to the house to pick up Muriel or Courage to take them there. So there is a town that they can drive into if they need anything. At this house, this farmhouse, a lot of bizarre things happen, and they often surround paranormal or supernatural activities. Courage has to oftentimes save Muriel and Eustace from these paranormal or supernatural entities, and Eustace and Muriel, they always seem oblivious to what's going on. Like, sometimes they don't even know that they're in danger, and Courage knows, and Courage cannot talk to them. Sometimes he says like 1 or 2 words, but they don't understand him, but he often will break the fourth wall and talk to the camera.
Oh, what have I done?
And say like a little sentence or two, but Eustace and Muriel don't understand him. He makes just a lot of noises, or sometimes he will like shapeshift into stuff and try to show them like this person is in trouble, but he is terrified. I mean, his name is Courage, but he is a cowardly dog, but he has to always save Muriel and Eustace because these are his owners. They rescued him because he was abandoned as a puppy, and he's always there for them, even though Eustace hates him. Eustace is always scaring him all the time with his mask, and he does not like Courage, but Courage is always down to save him each and every time. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever seen the show or have ever heard of the show. Are you a fan of Cartoon Network? Let me know in the comments. Here is a photo that I found on Pinterest that kind of gives you step-by-step guide on how to draw courage on nails. If you search stuff on Pinterest, you can usually find instructions on how to draw certain things on the nails, and this was extremely helpful to me. Let me know how you think I did in the comments below. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know how you like the nail set. Let me know if you've ever seen the show before and if the show scared you as a kid when you watched it. Let me know what your favorite episode was. I don't know what my favorite episode was. I think I like the one with the duck. I don't remember the names of the episodes, but there was a duck. I remember. And I know I really liked that episode. But let me know which one was your favorite if you've ever watched the show before. Before you leave, remember to like the video. If you don't have anything else to say in the comments, just drop me a dog emoji or something supernatural in the comments. That really helps me out with the algorithm. I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next video, which is tomorrow. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. Bye, guys.